They did a C split 6-4 will stay on B and everyone will go C. Alright, they're coming on B. Damn, lag.
Alright, I'm going top left.
Taking on Harry, top mid.
Dropping.
Grabbing top right.
Clapping.
Okay, wait,
Top mid.
Shock
Top
top
right.
left.
Oreo can die.
Oreo, yeah.
Taking on Harry, top left.
Through grab on top mid.
shit, what am I doing?
Dead.
Watch your top right, everyone.
Clapping.
Alright.
Pushing
Good
down.
shadow,
Push
good.
top right.
Ari pushing right. Pushing over.
Come on, you let's play Miller.
I think it's a farm.
Taking on our quad.
It's already over before it started.
Oh, hey, okay, main ball, go to the road. Main ball, go to the road. Main ball, go to the road. Get off the point, go to the road. Look at the bottom, look at the bottom, look at the bottom, look at the bottom. Crash it on the bottom, crash on the bottom, crash on the bottom, crash on the
Oh,
bottom.
our road. That'd be nice to know.
I won't bet work.
Get out. What the fuck this group came from? Get out. Spread.
Recrash it!
My dead's
fuck
ready.
it.
Haven't come back.
I got you, Harry.
Thank you.
Clapping.
Hold on, spread. They're almost dead.
Taking on our quad.
I'm not sure what happened to them.
Alright, I'm top
Okay,
right.
we're gonna be
Top left.
crashing.
Shock it.
Top point, 3, 2, 1. Crashing top of the point, Crash on the point. Kill these motherfuckers.
Taking on Harry.
That's spread. Goes bottom. Third bottom.
Clapping.
Mid right.
Third bottom. Get them off.
Come back over. I'm with you, Gord.
Off the point. Go off the bond.
He's clear out. I hate him.
They're off him. He step off the point. It's fine.
Miller. AV.
Spread.
Taking on Harry.
Alright, got him. Alright.
I'm gonna grab these.
Zellen Brown.
You don't suck shit me with a blast shot.
Bail
Motherfuckers.
But I am gonna go after
Watch
these
out.
people out in the woods.
Spread.
Yeah, I want to get a pass off of that shit.
Taking on board.
This is so unorganized.
Clapping.
It's unorganized because they're fucking shit.
Yeah, what fly-ins do they have?
Alright. Circle around. Go to your defaults.
Taking on Harry.
Alright.
Quite
Over this game. Junk ass game.
I figured I should have kept watching TV, but I was like, no.
Point team.
By the off
Let me
chance
know
to
when
go
you're
to
bad.
war, I want one.
Alright, we're gonna be crashing off a point in 3, 2, top right, 3, 2, 1, now, so no, here. Off a point. Go up, take it up top. Over there. By that tree, that one bigger
Yep, I'm
tree.
with you, Gord.
Taking on Gord.
Shocking on our
Group
Kelly.
5, go to C, Group 5, go to C.
Talking him again. Get wrecked.
Rolex.
Hey, they're on point.
Group 5 and 3, go to C.
Alright, I'm going
Fish is
left.
over there too.
Taking mid.
Crashing us, brother.
You don't know.
Grabbing bottom. Mid.
Get him, Echo.
Grab it.
Alright, group
Clapping.
6 and 4.
Drama
Group
center,
6, go to
fucking
A.
died.
Oh, we just got called to
Getting
the
out of there.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna crash on B. Crash on top right. 3, 2, 1. I'm trying. B on B.
Where's he
Crash
picking
on
up?
top right.
Going to A.
What's up?
A? Oh.
Group 6, go to
Sorry.
Group 6,
never
go to A.
mind.
No, wait.
Just one
We're
person
taking.
there, Doug.
Okay.
No pretty picking. I'm thinking.
Right on point.
I'm
Press
grabbing
on
on
B. On
bot
mail. Look at the bottom. Crashing bottom left in 3, 2,
Take it on here,
1.
top- bottom left.
Bottom left.
Clapping.
Just fucking wipe them off.
Pop, motherfucker.
Spread out. Go to bond. Help on. Bond needs help.
Taking on Gord, top left.
Oh, yeah, I'm on top left.
Clapping.
Hey, this frosted
Alright, we're
person
gonna
full.
delete the factor of defaults. Everyone's a point team. So you basically every quad you see needs value, go help it out.
Taking on our quad.
Yeah, well,
Just keep on
the
spreading.
quad we need to fill out is their work camp.
Bump up.
Clapping.
Alright,
I think that's what everything needs to be.
Oh,
Single for you.
What the fuck is this trauma guy?
Alright. I got grabbed
Hammer,
that
this is
up.
trauma guy. All
yeah,
hammers,
Gord.
Trauma.
Take it on you.
All hammers, VGs and shit like that. Scream on his motherfucking ass.
Clapping.
Trauma.
I'm in.
Looking for Harry. Take it on Harry.
Where you at, Harry?
I'm off in their
All
road.
screens on
Below,
trauma.
Over here.
by the crates. That
Cool,
guy's
cool down.
dead, you little bitch. Alright, I got grabbed that off. Where you at, Gore?
I am going with you here in just a second.
We're trying to get trauma right now. Who's this fucking rib guy?
Clapping.
You're gonna get it.
Schmitty.
They're gonna hear you.
Alright, go back up here. Is our sacred.
He's stuck, he's
I'm
stuck.
gonna get a grab going.
I want to grab him.
I want to get more than 2 people though.
Yeah,
Let's
right
go
up
up
here.
towards the door. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna get him.
They're gonna hear
Yay, someone got him.
Clapping.
Alright, we have deaths.
They're gonna hear you.
Alright, Oreo died.
We're
Art
gonna
Kelly's
be
dead.
dead and win soon. Top
I have
right,
big
3, 2, 1. Top of point fucking send it on somebody. If you have it somewhere, you just send it to somebody. Just find somebody and dead it. Group 6, group 5 and 3 go to C. 5, 3 go to C. They're doing, yeah, okay, they're doing a split. Groups. Ooh, I just sold ass hot water.
Think over Harry.
I just pulled
Group
myself
6
up.
and 4 stay on B. Everyone go to C on the split. 5 and 3, 8.
Go to A.
Be crashing on the point on C in 3, 2, 1. Top right, top right, top right, top right, top right. Shocking it.
A's D
That's spread, that's spread, that's spread, that's spread, that's spread.
Yeah, I'm back on B. I gotta buy some.
Spread out of there, spread out of there, spread out of there. Maybe they're not that great.
Maybe.
Not that great.
Yeah, they're not that great.
Okay, they got like
Dude, who hit me with a stopwatch?
ticket pretty quick over there. I'm gonna go over there.
A?
Get the
Yeah,
RP.
there's a
He
bunch.
has a fucking stopwatch.
Heard. I'm 60
Group
out.
6 and 4, go help A. Group 6 and 4, help A.
God, by the time I get there.
Oh, I'm gonna die. Fuck, I can't. I got out.
I got you, Gord.
Shocking.
Take it on you. Take a top right.
6-4 should be on A.
Alright, go top it. I'm grabbing this top right. Shocking.
Clapping.
Alright,
Get
Take a
rid.
top right. Right
ball,
on
main
Harry.
ball go back to B.
Come on,
Main
fitness
ball go
right
back
now.
to B.
I'm gonna grab that out of this.
Clapping right now.
You're gonna grab that?
Yeah.
Alright,
Take it on Gord.
shocking.
I just got cleared out.
6 seconds for clap.
Yeah, main boss will be here.
Alright, Jowka is the healer.
Get ready to crash from B.
Ticket.
Looking on top of point. Looking on bottom point. Bottom point in 3, 2, 1. Bottom right, 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 bottom right,
Alright,
bottom
I'm
right.
with you, buddy.
Clapping.
Fucking stay in there, trash, they're trash. Maybe
Take it on the
not.
middle of point.
No, they're, yeah.
Oh my god, we got 5
Take it up top,
running
take it up top, take it up
Yep,
top,
I'm
take
gonna
it up
grab on it.
in. We're grabbing it.
Take it for that.
They're gone.
Take it on Harry.
I'm gonna go buy cleanse real quick.
I got 46. I'm good for the one.
I didn't either. Alright.
I got 52. I'm good.
Alright.
Yeah, I can
Take
pop
over
one
that.
every time off the cooldown.
Group 9 go to C, group 9. Group 8 go to C. Group 9 and 8 go to C.
Hey, no fucking
Take it
way.
on pink.
Just because
Yeah,
you
you
pulled
were
out a
fucking
fucking
fine, bitch.
flamethrower.
Think
Think
it's
for Gord.
fine.
You're out of my range now.
I don't make the decisions. I know leadership gets mad.
Okay, coming back.
Come on, I'm trying to get a nice little grabby.
Drop my healer,
Thank you,
fucker.
Zed. Thank you, Gord. I appreciate it all.
Hey, grabbed and ran.
Ow. Armor broke this bitch.
A spear, great sword. I don't
Just
think I've
joking.
seen that one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Josuke.
I had a tank fire
Here,
staff I
grab.
just killed.
Uh-oh.
Take it on Gord on the road.
Yeah.
I'm paying if you need it.
Looks like they're trying to do a big split.
Play the sacred, man. This guy's an idiot.
I don't know. Group
That's
6
crazy
and
work.
4 come to the A. Group 6 and 4 come to A.
Take it on Zed right now.
Point team pulled their road.
Clapping.
5 and 3 will be holding
Look, I got a
B.
giant on me.
Just beating
That's
your ass.
crazy work.
Alright,
They're
I'm
not-
going
I
to
haven't
A.
seen that fucking
There's
hard
like 10
ever.
people on Altair.
Altair.
Trying to help them.
Come in. Group 6 and 4 come to.
I'm gonna throw Sacred on top of coin.
6 and 4 come to A.
I don't want to dead something.
Sacred
I
right
got
there.
Beto and
Pink.
grab. Alright, I'm gonna go mid left.
Mid left. 3, 2. Oh, they also red.
I went anyway.
Clapping.
Be on A. We're going to be crashing top of point in 3, 2, 1. Middle of the flag. Middle of the flag. You're on the way. You're on
Sacred
A.
on Harry.
Middle flag.
Single for Zed.
6 and 4.
Armor broke. Half. I'm on this,
Clapping.
Here, guys.
Clapping top of point.
Pure finesse, but fuck he is.
Motherfucker has clear out.
Sacred on Gord. Clapping 2.
Armor broke this guy.
9 and 8 should be on C.
Drink and die. Ah.
9 and 8 should be on C.
Now we go up into the road.
In the road.
Group 8 should be on C.
I can't wait to get on the road again. Me
Group
and
5 and
Harry
3
are
go to
gonna
C.
kill them all with our great axes.
One team go to C.
Look, he's a genius.
Oh, I wanted that.
5 and 3, you're not listening. I see you running around.
I'm just gonna go to C. Fuck it.
Crashing top right.
There's hella
3,
in their
2,
road on B.
1 on C.
Oh,
One
is
now.
it?
But if we're
Crash
going- yeah,
top
there's
right,
like a
crash
bunch,
top
like I
right,
said, a
crash
good
top
Oh, yeah,
right,
they are.
crash top
I'll
right,
go up
crash
there.
top right, crash top
Oh
right.
shit, this looks fun.
They all
That's
ran
what I
away.
was saying. Alrighty. Sacred on Harry.
Alright, I'm gonna stay right here. Alright, I'm grabbing that.
I'm grabbing it.
Get ripped.
Clapping.
Knocking.
Sacred on Gord.
Shock. Alright,
Get
move.
loose.
6 and 4
Oh.
go to A.
I'm on him with you, but he's just getting pumped. Oh, he's almost dead again.
Wait, they're distracting
Clapping.
us. We gotta retreat to A.
What?
We got close to A.
We're distracting half their army right now.
One team go to B. Group 6 and 4 should be on A.
I'm going, brother. Don't worry. Oh shit.
Sacred top right.
I know, but group 6 and 4 should be on A.
Grabbing
One
this.
team is gonna be
Clapping.
coming to the B with 5 and 3. Crashing top of right in 3,
They're
2,
gonna guard top
1 on
left.
B, on B, on B, on B, on B. Right,
I'm
bottom
going
right,
back.
bottom right, bottom right, bottom right, bottom right, bottom right, bottom right. Take it to the top, 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 take it to the top.
What is this fire boy doing?
Oh, I got more.
Knife, fire boy.
6-4, you just make your decisions. If you have debts, you just send it.
Get my ass whooped by this guy. Oh god.
Come on, kill danger. He's dead. He's afraid.
Just pick a target, pick a target, pick a target. Something to be
Alright,
scared
I'm
of.
playing this sacred for a second. Armor broke, miss.
What the I hear a deado going off, but I don't see it.
Shocking.
Sacred on Gord.
Getting fucked up.
Their road.
I think there's only one person on C.
My
Single
uptime's
forward.
terrible. I gotta go do something about it.
It's like
Alright.
Clapping.
eating
Sacred on
everything.
Harry.
Almost
Single for
super
Harry.
weak. Go
Harry,
get
I
him,
shot
go
for
get
you,
him,
bro.
go get him, go get him, go get him,
Clapping.
go get him,
Alright.
go get him,
I got grabbed up.
get him.
Let's go to point and round him up.
Okay, okay, okay.
Just run around the flag until they got a nice little clumpy. Yeah, stay right there. They're fucking flocking
Look,
to
we're
you.
gonna-
Point
Alright.
team,
Yeah, I need a
point
sacred.
team, come
Grab
red,
it.
5-3.
Grab it.
I got a Sacred on
Shadowing.
Sacred on Gord.
Curious what's happening over here.
Shadow, spine or
Die,
frost.
motherfucker.
Somebody fucking died. God damn it.
If you're on A, crashing top left in 3,
Sacred on Gord,
2,
single
1,
for
crash
Zed.
top left, crash the top left.
Full
crash
cooldowns,
top left,
clapping
crash top
four.
left. Kill these motherfuckers.
Honorable. Honorable can die.
Shocking.
Ow.
Pure finesse.
Clapping.
Oh, flesh,
Knocking us.
motherfucker.
Sacred on Gord. Bottom left.
I charged into somebody.
I'm gonna grab on the top right. Nah, they
Mistake. Body was a mistake.
Sacred on Zed.
Alright, group 8. Go CC.
Coming guard.
What the fuck was that?
That was the
Clapping.
We're doing a split. They're doing a split. Split.
Sacred on board.
1, 2, and 5 and
Ping if
3
you
go
need it.
C. 6, 4 stay on B.
Wait,
There's
who's
Ace
this out
over
here by
here.
herself?
Gonna wait for my bruisers.
Clapping.
Crashing mid right.
Sacred on Harry.
2, 1. Crashing mid right on C. On C.
Every time I grab, they grab me. It pisses me off.
They know
I'm 50
they're fucking
outside.
trash.
It's like
I'm not
sucking me
chasing
away from
anymore.
Sacred top left.
Pick up bottom. Zerg bottom. Zerg bottom. Zerg bottom. Let's see. Zerg top now. Zerg top now.
You dodged that?
Heavy armor bruiser.
Look down. There's another
That's
Oreo
awesome.
here. He's in Oreo Kirby.
I miss the light bruiser days.
Bet that was
Smooth.
Dude, I mean, it was fun, but also, like, if you went against good bruisers,
Fucking
they
sitting on this.
fucking steamroll you.
We're losing B.
Alright, I'm going to B, because there ain't shit
Alright.
over here. Must be going
Point team
on.
go to B.
Wait.
Point team and 5 and 3 go to B. Reset.
Sacred bot mid if
Reset.
you need it.
Well, I just sniped that kill.
Oh, there's just one fucking guy on B. They're just kind of running around by their spawn.
Oh my god.
Didn't go do it.
I logged on for this. This is crazy.
It's over. It's fucking boring.
If you want to war camp him, go war camp him.
Clapping.
I'm putting it on traps.
About to be surrounded. Yep, I'm surrounded.
I'm with you. Sacred on gourd.
I have everything.
We'll
Here,
go
if
see
you
and
wanna
put
help.
down some traps.
Where are you?
Clint's
I'll
down.
support you.
Thank you. I'm
Yeah,
getting
sacred
him.
on gourd again.
Grab daddy.
Clapping. Single for gourd right now.
I got some DMs too,
Sacred on
but
gourd. Single for
I'm
gourd.
not gonna look at them.
Clapping.
Group 5 and 3 coming to C.
There he
That's a lot of damage you were taking, my
I
friend.
thought I was gonna die.
I got you.
Group 5 and 3, just pick a target.
Look at all these people.
Sacred on Harry.
They just...
Disappeared.
This is what Yoisoy Miller's doing now with his life. Helping these guys.
Sacred on gourd.
Shocked out of healer. Oh, I missed that? What the fuck?
Oh, this guy makes me want to give up gaming forever.
Hey.
Gord stealing all the kills.
I'm not stealing them all, bro. We're losing A.
Point team,
Oh,
come over
oh,
here
we're
and
at
see
B.
up
I
in
thought we
their
were A.
area. Group 6 and 4 go to A.
We're gonna fuck this one guy up.
Hey, there's another bruiser coming over here.
That's fine. Group 6 and 4 go to A.
At least fight this
Point
guy for
team
a
should
second.
be over here on C. Go into like
I
their
got
jungle area.
47%. I doubt it.
Docking. Armor broke. Oh, I told you. It's just sick. I can't believe this is still a thing. People need to get good.
Yeah, you're 9-8, 5-3 point team. You're gonna see like far out there in the jungle. 6 and 4 come back to B.
Okay, Papa.
If you're done on A, come back to B. If you're
Get them
done on A,
points? I
6
don't
4.
know. I don't even know if we should. But it would be more fun.
Damn, I'm out doing their AoE healer. Yo, they need to give up this game for good.
Oh, you got sucked into that, didn't you, boy? Oh, shit.
You can't leave.
You are in danger,
can't
sir.
leave.
You are aware.
Don't worry, guys.
We're trying to get to the
I have the
doors.
500 con flail on A with
French
me.
is talking to main comms. Well, that's not good.
Where's all the fun?
Group 6, Group 4 stay on B. Group 6 go to A.
What?
A
You
is
gonna by
fine.
ourselves?
Group 6 go to A. Group 4 stay on B.
On my way.
Clear it up.
Oh, on the door. Oh my god.
Harry, quit eating. Get over to A.
I was
5-3
trying to hit
clear
my
on
vape.
C. Point
What?
2 stay off.
Oh my god. They all just charged out at me and started fucking me up. Am I actually needed on A?
No.
I'd still
Group 4
one of
play
them
together
there.
on B.
Stupid tank. Stupid fucking tank.
Yeah, now it's just a 500 con tank.
Group 6, come back to B.
He's a shitter.
I fucking reposted.
Play with Group 4.
Repost is the best.
What?
Group 6,
He
get away
flies
from
through
that
that?
tank.
I don't
What?
understand. I don't know how he just like
Group
decided
6,
to
when
pretend
you
like
come
that
in
didn't
back to
exist.
B, killed us
Wait,
up
we
this
body blocked
bright
him in the
guy.
corner.
Right, Bond.
Heavy in him. So
I'm just
dead.
running back and forth at this point.
No. Die! Stupid fuck.
You know what's bad when I'm chunking someone on their team for damage?
Group 4, pull back towards B.
I'm not chasing this.
Oh, dude, this is bad.
You're gonna use it.
I can mount that.
Okay. Nope. I'm feeling it.
Coming.
Group 6
almost
and
had me
7
there, I
are
was on the
chasing
ropes.
one guy off. Where are you guys
Oh
going?
Lord. I won't tell anyone. That was great though. That was some content. So nurse, sir, no sir is a healer. Yeah.
A point, get ready. There's 3 people maybe. Want to go come visit you.
Say there's 3 people. Great.
I have an AoE healer on A point. Interesting.
Harry, what are you doing?
We're 5 and 3 on A.
I'm following the raid plan, dude, I swear.
Do we have a lot of people on C?
I'm over on the fucking C side of their spawn. There was like a fat clump I had to go for, and yeah.
Group 4, come to B.
What the fuck was that?
Hey Zed, just FYI, your positioning's kind of sus. Just FYI.
Oh yeah, right.
Group 6,
Just
come
thought
back
I'd let
to
you
B.
know.
Thanks.
Crash and top on B. 3, 2, 1. Crash and top on B. Crash and top on B.
I thought you'd get a kick out of it.
Oh my
I just grabbed 2 of them. 3 of them.
god. Ask them for
Checking
timestamps
on
too.
Gary.
They're gonna top. They're gonna top. They're gonna top.
He couldn't give me
Push 'em off, push
times.
'em off,
I
push
was
'em
like,
off,
well,
push 'em
then
off,
it's
push 'em
not
off.
that bad.
This guy named Shadow with a fucking C.
Shadow.
They said they wanted us to treat them like a real company. Yeah.
And we're down a whole group. That's
Yeah.
kind of wild.
Group 6, go to A.
Come on. Just gonna stab that up here.
If y'all could take damage, that would be lit.
Oh, well, they slaughtered like 49 people. Yeah, no. It's like 1 person over there, but group 6 should be on A.
Come out to work camp.
I 100% am on A right now.
Yeah, go to
I'm
work camp. Or
definitely
go
there.
inside work camp, or go inside work camp. That's up to you. I don't, you're not my. That's not my account. You can do whatever you want.
Why does he say group 6 and I see 20 people over here?
Yeah, I'm not
You
going.
want to get banned, you go get banned.
Wagging out.
D tier.
God, man, boy, get out of here.
They're staying inside for the most part.
Ice isn't even warring. What are you guys doing? Doing nothing? Do you guys even fight?
This fella's using spear hammer. But what the fuck are these builds?
Yeah, I think the whole
Throw
army's
that.
here.
Oh shit. I'm 50 out.
I had something else. Oh, health pods.
He thought he was getting back in the war camp. Just fucked.
You help me on right side.
I'm
Oh
on
my
way.
god, this guy's loud.
What, buddy?
If you can start running towards the back, I can get you.
No.
Clapping.
There's the
Damn, you're so on my range.
pickle chips.
You running through all that?
Yeah, fuck that. I'm your #1 bodyguard, let me tell you.
I'm deading.
I'm with you. Sacred on guard.
6-4 gonna be. Group 4, just go
Damn,
group
I
4.
get over
group
here and
B.
everyone's dead.
I ran through.
The pickle chip? Alex, why are you
I
fucking
ran
me,
That's
bro?
I make it to you.
Group 4.
Oh god.
Wait a minute. Oh, they're getting A.
Going there. Going down.
Gotta stop them.
That guy needs muted.
Oh, damn it, Gord. I need more kills now.
C needs a group. 5-3 go to C. 5-3 go to C. 5-3 go to C.
Ah. I wanted to steal it with the grass.
Okay, I'll be back. I gotta mute this guy.
Who?
I don't need to mute him. I just gotta turn him down at least. God
Oh,
dang.
I definitely
Ish.
worked some.
Guys, we're gonna eat that. We're gonna eat that. Let's go suck their dick.
What?
Hello?
Let's go eat their crumbs out of their buttholes. What ish? Is that what you not want? We leave no crumbs in their buttholes. We're gonna eat them all.
What did he just say?
Hello, 911?
Take their crumbs. They got
Yeah,
they
I
got
think I'm
crumbs
being
coming out of their
raped, I'm not
buttholes.
sure.
We're gonna eat them up.
Oh my god.
That's what Ish says. I'm just listening to what Ish says. What Ish says, I gotta say, right?
Somebody let me in that war camp. I'm just ready to fucking.
Dude, I don't know how to play anymore. These guys are just reducing my skill level.
Don't worry, guys. I have 900 siege
misclicking and
parts in case
everything.
they break the gate.
Yeah, I
I'll
think
pop
it's
a
gonna be a
cleanse, not
close
a
one. We
Ditto.
might lose here.
Mm-hmm.
And then a Papadetto. Okay.
Oh, all these guys.
No, what
are
guy?
down
I
here.
got oak
I
flesh.
know.
What are you gonna
they're
do
just
to
gonna
me?
fucking stand there. That's stupid.
Burn the shit out of me. You're bleeding me.
I
I
can't stab
grab you?
pad.
Dry.
One came out and I
I
wasn't.
got the kill. Alright, let's go find the crumbs.
Eat their booty holes. No toxic company on.
Group 6 and 4 go to A. Group 6 and 4 to go to A.
Oh, really?
It's only 50 seconds, but I want you over there. I'm not reading chat. I can't. 6-4 go to A.
Going.
Through go
Probably
to A.
so
Through,
excited.
go
Yeah,
to
we're
A.
gonna take this.
Forward,
Here comes
go
the
to
whole
A.
fucking army.
Who is this? Ham wallets? Ham wallets? What the fuck is that?
Oh my
name?
god, it's
Sydney
bad
go to
over
A.
here.
Hey Ha go to A. Grizz go to A.
Oh yeah, everybody's
Natalie
here.
go to A. Harry, welcome to A.
Clap.
Yeah, I was gonna say what? I'm
PG, welcome
fucking
to
here.
A. Palace, welcome to A. Leon, welcome to A. Have a heal.
Is he serious?
Everybody just go back to B.
Go
Holy
back
shit.
to B. What's he talking
I'm
about?
sweaty now.
Another banger on Kennerland.
I
Fuck this
didn't
place,
die.
dude. Oh my god.